if you remember that I had asked you to reduce the count for Prana Vistara, I thought I won't be able to count, do even for 5 counts. But now I can go beyond 15 also. I count up to 15. So that is quite an improvement for me. And I feel quite energetic the whole day. So it's helped me quite a bit. The cough has reduced completely. And occasionally I feel breathless. But then I realize that I feel that because I feel that there's some kind of, some water coming out, and that's why it's making me like that. Then suddenly on its own that I'm able to, I'm able to breathe properly. Only for a few minutes I feel that, then, it repairs itself. That's what I feel.